around the clock.
ออนไลน์
For
ได้
this
ยินไหม
reason,
ครับ
they're
มี
literally built
เห็น
to tank.
เป็นวิดีโอด้วยครับ
However, the aging process applies to transformers nevertheless. The transformer oil, for example, is indispensable as a cooling, impregnation, and isolation agent. However, just like every other organic compound, it ages with time. Cellulose and oil produce various degradation products. The most dangerous of these are acids, peroxide, and
แด
water.
งๆเนี่ยเป็นพวก
Additionally, deposits and sludge form on the surface of the
ที่กด
transformer
มา
winding.
ในน้ำมันนะครับพอดี
This reduces the heat transfer capability
มันใช้
and
งานปุ๊บ
therefore
เนี่ย
the
มัน
cooling
จะมีพวก
capability of the oil.
คราบอะไรต่างๆเกาะอยู่
The
ที่ตัว
decomposition products also attack the paper insulation of the transformer windings, and the paper loses its
การ
mechanical and
ทำ
dielectric
มันไม่
properties.
หายนะครับ
The process finally
การที่จะ
results
ดึง
in
พวกนี้ออกได้
defective
เนี่ยมัน
spots
ก็
in
คือ
the
ต้องใช้ทำเรื่อ
insulation.
งของการ
This
ทำ
makes the transformer incapable of dealing with overvoltages in the power network. This poses a serious threat to these expensive transformers and to the entire grid section. Timely preventive action can minimize such risks. There are a number of ways to prevent the oil from decaying. One can switch off the transformer and change the oil, a costly and considerably ineffective process. However, the oil can be regenerated during normal operation, a process that is far more than just environmentally friendly. During an oil change, sludge and deposits remain in the transformer and become physically dislodged by the vacuum-filled oil. The new oil is impurified immediately, and the sealing system with the transformer tank is subjected to mechanical stress. Better results can be achieved by regenerating the oil during transformer operation. The transformer vibrations and the waste heat generated even serve to support the regeneration
ถึงเรา
process.
จะเปลี่ยนน้ำมันใหม่
Continual regeneration also
นะครับ
removes
พอ
physical
เราเติม
deposits.
น้ำมันใหม่เข้าไปปุ๊บเนี่ย
In terms of
ไอ้
its
พวกต่าง
characteristics,
ๆเนี่ย
regenerated, inhibited, and degassed oil is the same
มัน
as
ก็ยัง
new
คง
oil.
เหมือนเดิม
In some ways, it's even better.
ในรูปซ้ายเนี่ยรูป
What's
ขวามือ
more,
เนี่ย
the process is more environment friendly than a conventional
ก็
application.
เลยใช้โปรเซ
The
สในเรื่องของ
Citram
การ
Reach oil regeneration by Siemens is a mobile application.
อ่า
All necessary components are housed in two standard containers.
นะครับ
Connecting the regeneration unit to the transformer during regeneration really requires expert
สามารถ
knowledge.
ที่จะทำตอนที่หม้อแปลงจะ
Once the transformer has been connected, the oil circulates continually throughout the system. Firstly, the oil is brought to process temperature in a careful and energy-saving manner, and is then fed through the Fuller's Earth-filled columns. The Fuller's Earth cleans the oil. The narrow geometry of the column ensures both a steady stream and even thermal distribution. If the Fuller's Earth is saturated with deposits, it is regenerated in an automated readsorption process. During regeneration, the oil in the vacuum chamber is continually degassed and dehumidified. At the end of the regeneration process, an inhibitor is added, and the oil is degassed and dehumidified once
เรีย
again.
กว่าเป็นแชมเปี้ย
In
น
order to guarantee optimum service at all times, all process-related data can be monitored
เป็น
remotely.
ส่วนที่เป็นตัวกรอง
The electromagnetic valves on the four connection points for flow and return flow are connected to the central control system. They provide maximum safety, together with the double-walled hoses equipped with low-pressure measuring. If one of the hose walls gets damaged, the minimum pressure falls within the monitored gap. In such cases, the valves are closed automatically, and the Citram Reach switches to safety mode. The low-level monitoring in the oil expansion vessel can also be integrated into this safety system. The entire system is protected from oil leakage by a doubled oil catch pan. Two level sensors continually monitor the system and shut it down the moment contact with oil is detected. The second container houses a storage area and an oil testing laboratory, in which all processes on site can be monitored. The experts at the Siemens Oil and Material Test Laboratory in Nuremberg are responsible for detailed analysis and quality approval. By installing the Citram Reach, the operator benefits from Siemens's many years of in-depth expertise in transformers, from the only energy infrastructure company worldwide that delivers products, solutions, and services along the entire energy conversion chain.
ครับทาง